met a Senegalese girl recently and she's so pretty. How can I seduce her in Wolof?
First, you can ask her name.
How do I do?
You're gonna ask her no tudd. Then you can tell her that she's beautiful. Danga rafet.
Danga rafet. And how can I tell her that I love her?
Well, the most common way to say this is dama la bëgg.
Dama la bëgg. And if I love her a lot?
Then you will just say dama la bëgg lool.
And if I want to get a phone number, what can I tell her?
You can ask her, mën naa am sa numéro, which means, can I have your phone number?
But if she doesn't accept?
If she doesn't accept, you can tell her, bëgg naa xamante ak yow, danga ma neex, which means I would like to get to know you, I like you.
That's cool. And how can I ask her if we can meet together?
You can say, mën nanu gise.
Mën nanu gise.